34 man. Amanda met on Find New Love, common online dating website. She really hoped to find a new love, and tall and handsome 34 could be the right man for her. Amanda read the email. Tall and handsome 34 asked Amanda if she would like to meet in person on Friday. He tells her his real name is Mike. Amanda considered meeting Mike. She only chat with Mike on the computer, but she really likes him. He is smart and funny. They are the same age, share many interests, and live in the same city. She does not know what he looks like, but she enjoys the mystery of a blind date. Amanda replied to Mike, "Hi Mike, my real name is Amanda." They agreed to meet Amanda's favorite restaurant at 7:30 p.m. on Friday. They planned to meet beside the fountain in front of the restaurant. On Friday, Amanda prepared for her date. She put on a dress and curled her hair. She felt nervous and excited. When Amanda was at the restaurant, she sees a tall man by the fountain. She cannot see his face. That must be Mike. Amanda thinks. She walked toward the man. Mike, Amanda asked us the tall man turned around. She sees my face. She is surprised. Amanda John, Mike exclaimed. He really says he knows her. Amanda John and Mike Miller dated in high school. I cannot believe it is you. Amanda and Mike laughed and shook. Well, Amanda thinks to herself. Sometimes you can find your own love too. Gentlemen, team, judges, teacher, contestant, and ladies and gentlemen, now I'm reading on the topic of online dating. Are coming to the end. Thank you very much for listening and pay attention.